RuleeDollz, it's your girl Rika here, and today, my darlings, we're back here in another video. Oh my god, if you're not subscribed, you're still here, girl. Thank you so much, it's greatly appreciated. I love you. First I've seen you, girl, see my face. Oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed in the content I bring to you. I promise. Without further ado, guys, it's been a little while since I've done a video. I think a couple of weeks or so, and it literally feels longer to me. It feels so long. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to be in front of where I feel like I belong, sweetie, doing some makeup, and we're just gonna be really simplistic today, and we're gonna do a beautiful pink look. We are going to be diving in the Life is a Drag palette. I'm trying to go back to palettes that I haven't used in a while, and I thought this would be so cute. It's got a beautiful bubblegum pink in here, and I really want to get into it, so let's go. Now before we get into this video, I have to say that my nails are raggedy, busted, crusted, dusted. My cuticles are absolutely broken to the guards, sweetie, because I have been doing so much cleaning and sorting out, decluttering my life, girl. Decluttering my life. I've been doing that, decluttering my house, making sure that my children have such beautiful places to go in the house. It's not cluttered, it's just free. Very zen, sweetie, very zen. What comes with all of that is cleaning products, and literally dipping your hand in so much chemicals and cleaning products, and then sanitizing and stuff like that. And I don't know what it is, but I literally was allergic to one of the products that I use, and it has destroyed my nails, my nail beds, and my cuticles. I was told by the GP, which is the doctors, if you didn't know what GP is, if you're not in the UK, yes, it could take 4 to 6 weeks for my cuticles to come back. So when I do close-up, sweeties, don't be saying nothing if you see a little raggedy daggedy, you know, raggedy daggedy. Just ignore that, sweetie. Just ignore that. But I thought I'd let you guys know where my beautiful nails has gone. You're not going to see them for a little while, sweetie, because my nails literally feel so soft and they hurt so bad. I digress. Let's get into this look. I lightened my hair and I lightened my eyebrows, so that's why they look like this. I'm not sure if I'm going to put any product in my eyebrows, because I realized I don't actually have this color pomade. All my pomade is dark and black, so we're going to be diving in to this beautiful palette, which is Life is a Drag by Luna Beauty. Luna Beauty is owned by Manny MUA. He's a beautiful influencer, and this was his first palette back in the day when he came in and said, you know what, I want to be a cosmetic brand owner. It's just gorgeous. So let's zoom into this palette. I'm now going to prep my eyelids. I'm going to be using the P. Louise base in room number 5. Look at that smooth base. Don't you just love that? P. Louise is one of the best bases out there. Get into it. Yes. I'm going to use this beautiful pink colour. It's called Kiki, and just look at that. This is Kiki, absolutely stunning colour. Let's get this on my eyelids. We're using the Morphe E22 brush. Now I'm going to just deepen up the corners, and I'm going to use Snatched, which is this beautiful kind of burnt burgundy colour. And there's Snatched, such a beautiful burgundy colour. And now that's done, I'm loving this all pink burgundy look. We're going to go with one of my best brands ever. It's called Samaritans, and it's absolutely stunning. And they have these beautiful iridescent pigments, and we're going to use this beautiful one. That's what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. Let's get this on my eyelids. I'm going to darken up my eyebrows with this Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now that's done, I'm going to do my base off camera because you guys have seen it 1,000 times, and then we're going to get back to the eyes. Now that's done, I'm really feeling my base. Yeah, sweetie. Let's get it together. Before we smoke out the under eye, let's go in with the Morphe Dark Room and darken my waterline. So we're going to smoke our under eye, and you know me, I love to do a little bit different on the under eye. I was thinking maybe the blue or the yellow or maybe the purple. Purple? Let's do the purple. So we're going to dip into her, which is Pageant Queen. Let's do a close-up, and there she is. Now that's done, let's prep our eyelashes for some falsies. We're going to be using the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit Cosmetics. You know it's a fan favourite on my channel. I thought it would be really cute to put some stencils, a little leaf stencil just here. And we're going to use the pink to go with the look, so we're just going to put a couple here. Let's go. Now that's done, we are going to use some Lily lashes in Mochanos. These are my favourite lashes like of all time. And we're going to just, you know, add some flair. I love these eyelashes. Okay, so now that's done, we're gonna move on to these lips, sweetie. So for the lips, I'm going to be using a Jeffree Star Jeffree What the Fuck on my lips because I love this pink. Sorry for the snoring in the background. That's my son. If you've been wondering who's that little snore, my son crawled into my bedroom, so he's dreaming. Bless his heart. He hasn't been well recently, so he cuddles up with mummy. So yes, let's get onto these lips. This is the colour, this is what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. Let's get it on my lips. Oh, I love this colour so much. And there she is in all her glory. Absolutely stunning. I love this colour. It just pulls a pink look together. And to be honest, it doesn't even need to be a pink look. It can be any look. And this lipstick will get you. Let's get it together, sweet. Let's get it together. I love this colour. So let's go sort out the hair and I'll be right back. And that is the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and joining me today. It's been a pleasure doing this look for you guys and showing you just what you can do with just a couple of colours. That's it, sweetie. I have thoroughly enjoyed myself. I've really enjoyed my time and I'll see you guys on the next one. So it's been your girl RURIKO YAMAZAKI here. Doesn't let your love and your all that anybody needs, my darling. I'll catch you. Yes, you. The one that came to the end of the video, my honey butter, my sweetie, my darling, my everything. I'll catch you, my sweetie, on another video. Yeah.